Welcome to my channel Excel Genius Lab. Today we are going to learn how to look up a value in Excel. We are going to extract a data from a Excel sheet using a lookup function. There is a two type of lookup function where we can look up a value using these function. The first is VLOOKUP and the second is HLOOKUP. Today we are going to see or extract a value through a VLOOKUP. So first of all, let's start with the introduction about the VLOOKUP. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP, one of the most useful and a powerful Excel function which searches the value that you specify and returns a matching value from another column. Letter V stands for vertical, which is vertical VLOOKUP. It is differentiate from HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP, the H stands for horizontal lookup. So today we are going to look up a value through a VLOOKUP, that is vertical lookup. VLOOKUP function looks up a value in the first column of a given range and return a value in the same row from another column. So let's see how lookup function is work. Now I have a set of data in Excel where we are going to look up a value from the table. You can see the screen. I have a set of data in Excel, and next to this I have a data where we are going to look up the value for this data, for this product ID. We can use the VLOOKUP within the same sheet or from the another sheet, and we can also use this function to extract the value from the another workbook also. So let's start with the function. First of all, we are going to use the equal sign. Then next we have to type VLOOKUP function. Next you can see the arguments are displaying after you are typing the VLOOKUP and parenthesis. So the first one is highlighted is lookup value, so we'll select the lookup value, that is next, that is G2. Now then we can use the comma and select the next argument, which is table array. Now we are going to select the table array. We are going to select the from the leftmost column, that is A, and I am going to provide the table array to the D till D51. Now we have selected the table array. The next thing is just press comma, and now next argument is column index. Which value I am going to extract, which is product name. Now we are going to select the product name. You can see product name is representing the second column. First column is the lookup value and the second column is the product name. So we are going to extract the product name whose column number is 2. Now press 2. You can see the screen, press 2. Now the next index is the next argument is range lookup. Now comma range lookup, you can see on the screen the options are displayed, that is true, approximate match, and false is exact match. So we are going to select the second option, which is false, and now close the bracket and select enter. You can see the product name is extracted. Same, you just copy the cell and paste tilde data you want to extract. Now you can see the last one is not extract the exact value, because in the same sheet we have to freeze the table array, because if we are going to copy and paste the same formula to the next row, then the table, you can see the table array is also shifted to the next row. So we need to freeze the table array, which is, you can press 4, now enter. Now you can copy and paste, and now you can see the exact value is extracted. In my next video I am going to teach you a multi-value VLOOKUP. So just wait for my next video, and for that you have to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you for watching.